Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Corning with Mobile. Welcome to another video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in once again. And if you are new to the family, yeah, welcome as well. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And also please like my video so that it can get more reach to other channels and grow, yeah. So in today's video we'll be doing a very quick makeup tutorial without any foundation. Yes, it's quite possible. I'm gonna just walk you guys through it. I'm gonna start with the brows, and today I'll be using a brow pencil because I'm trying to use different products to cater for you guys, because sometimes I'm maybe using a product that you guys don't have. And if you want a detailed eyebrow tutorial, please leave down a comment down below and talk to me. You line it, and then you make strokes. Is it strokes? You make strokes going up. Wait, well, already because yeah, you're the girl. So I'm just gonna take a thingy just to kind of blend it through, and done. Afterwards, I'll be using my Elegate Pro Concealer in shade GC 976 Pure Beige. So I'm just going straight because it has an applicator. I'm just gonna okay, once you're done with brows, you see, not the best, but I'm just going for a more neutral, simple look that you wanna do on the go. Holy move. Yeah, so up next, I'm going in with a primer. So I have two primers. This one that it was on the last video I uploaded, and this one, I think this one you've seen it from your face. They normally use it, but I'm running out of it, so I'm using this one. It's the Rimmel Fix and Protect Makeup Primer. So I'm going in with a brush as my applicator. Don't forget your under eye to avoid any creasing. So look up. After that, let me show you the concealers that I'll be using. This one, you've seen it already. This one is gonna be for highlights. This one is gonna be for the contour part, yeah. And then I'm gonna be adding these two foundations. Concealer. I'll also be adding this two concealer. One is from Catrice True Skin High Concealer in shade I gave one, right? But to give it waterproof. Okay, cute. Oh, warm toffee. Yes, it's here. 046 warm toffee, and then the L'Oreal Infallible in shade in shade Cocoa 339. So first, we're going in with our concealers. I'm just gonna do my entire face, and then we'll take it from there. Now I'll be going in with this. I've always wanted to do that. let's blend our life away. So I'll be using this brush that I got from Avon. I bought it like years back. I don't know if they still have it now. The trick here, like especially under your eyes, is to like, you have to look up when you're blending to avoid any creasing or anything like that. So now it's looking scary or whatever, but we're still gonna blend the contour. Okay, one thing I've realized about this is that no matter what you do, you're gonna experience some creasing, because okay, it's not as bad, but waibona. It needs constant blending. The only problem is that the dark marks are still gonna be visible because there isn't really much coverage. So after here, we're going on to the powder baking, yada yada. So I'll be using for my contour, I'm using the Revlon powder in shade Cinnamon 018. For my under eyes, I'll be using my Yardley Loose Powder Caramelized. I don't know if Caramelized is the shade. Yeah, it looks like it. So I just so now I'm going in with lashes. But let me show you this cute pair of lashes that I got from Shein. It's very cute. The lighting, I love it. And it's like, I think it was about 40 rand or something. Cheap. Cute. So I'm just gonna dust off. I'm not happy with the lighting. I'm gonna get to highlight and it makes, wow, this primer, why have I been sleeping on you? And then I'm also gonna be reusing a lot of powder. Going in with my pressed powder from Avon, shade neutral medium 10. So for my lips, I'll be using the Smudge Studio Matte Lipstick. I got it from Dischem for my 15 rand, 18 rand. Very cheap. And I like it. Love it. Actually getting very late. I have to leave. I can't believe I'm going on campus looking like this. And also I need a mask. Why then? Because wow, it would be a perfect disguise. Okay, loves. So I'll be using Smudge matte fixing spray. I don't like how the matte one leaves spots. I don't know why. But I'm just gonna be something meters away. I don't don't know which part should I cover. Okay, it's fine. Okay guys, so this was the final look. I actually love how it turned out. I guess like with makeup you really have to trust the process, because wow, it was looking all maza, but now it turned out to be so cute. And let me plug you again on the primer, because literally it's the reason behind this. I didn't put any highlighter on. Girly, you're the girl that you think you are. Wow. And then an SPF 25, that's cute. Anyways, please give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel, Crowning with Mobile. What else? I'll see you on, I think on Sunday, because I'll be doing a more like a skincare something. See you then.